I'm like, you know, if I don't make this load, I'm gonna go broken. You know, I'm gonna have to go back and get my day job. No, it's a serious situation.
I hear a noise outside. Could it be a weevil? What is out here? I hear things clattering. What is happening? What exactly is going down out here?
Just fixing some stuff for you.
Oh, for me?
Yeah.
What are you doing to this thing?
I was hauling a thing home last night.
A thing home? You were hauling the thing home?
Yep.
Was the turbo done on this thing?
Yeah. Oh yeah, look at it. Look at the blades in there. You see the blades?
Wiggle it back and forth. What's the end play like?
Up and down is fine, but end plays like this. Can you hear it in there?
Oh my.
Look at the blades, so look at the top of the blades.
She's carved it up quite nicely.
Oh yeah, she's had her.
The old girl has regurgitated some aluminum through her.
I don't know what could have done it. But,
what are you putting the original turbo back on this thing or what?
oh yeah, I gotta go drop off a load, man. I still gotta work.
You still yeah. What do you got hauling back here anyways?
I sold that second, yeah.
I tell you what, one more hunk of out of my yard. That's all I got to say. All I can say is, a good riddance. My poor grizzly. My poor grizzly. Remember, you got the genuine Fort St. John rad cover on it right here, eh?
Yeah. Man, I must have got this thing hot so many times.
I'm surprised the bolts are coming out.
So am I.
How's that cat's ass work? Pretty good?
Oh, dude, it's awesome. Look at these nuts.
I tell you what, this year, I tell you what, how did the work on there? Good?
Oh, dude, I sprayed just the tiniest bit on. And literally, it's actually insane. Usually you gotta spray these things, turn them, spray them. This fender is quite awesome.
You like laying on it?
No, I don't actually. So anyways, trying to fix this without you catching me.
Yeah, when did you?
I didn't realize that you were in the shop. So.
I tell you what, I remember when you put this turbo on there and I didn't want you to put that turbo on it.
Well,
because you thought yeah? Remember putting that turbo on, my brand new turbo?
Yeah.
That was about 2 years ago.
Oh yeah. Got a good run of it.
Tell you what.
Everywhere.
That exhaust manifold looks like there's a leak right there in one of the manifolds.
Yeah, we're not worried about that.
Look right there.
Where?
Right there, there's black, all carboned all around it. I tell you what,
Thanks
this truck,
Thanks.
there's never been a truck with more abuse in its whole life than this one. It's had very little done to it. Hey, look at that. All over the road. There's my other project I'm with. Hey. Anyways, it's a good thing the old man keeps some parts around the shop.
Yeah, it is sure is a good thing the old man does keep some parts around.
Okay, guys, have a good day. Just another day in the life and times over here at Wildman Garage. How's it going on? How are you making out with that? I think your spigot's turned the wrong way, ain't it?
Huh?
Your spigot.
What about spigots? I'm like, you know, if I don't make this load, I'm gonna go broken. You know, I'm gonna have to go back and get my day job. No, it's a serious situation.
You put the new gasket in there, obviously.
Oh,
You're such a smart.
I'm gonna get this turbo tight. It's one thing I've been dreamt of. You know,
My goodness gracious, your spigot's a little bit off.
I should have cut a hole in the fender.
Yeah.
My ratchet's on the bench. I just need to unbolt the cold side housing and flip it.
Will it? You know what? You know what? Will it turn? You might be ahead of yourself.
No, I'm not. We're taking it off.
What's that?
Taking it off.
Oh, you're taking it off?
Yeah.
Will that turn in there?
It's not gonna turn there. We'll take it off. Oh no.
What?
I knew that was gonna happen.
What happened to come out of the back?
Exhaust fell apart. Sakes, man. Like, just everything.
Well, not everything. It's just the way it is. Okay.
Get there.
Is that loose in there?
Okay.
Here, lift it up and I'll put that band on there.
Okay.
This nut here, guys, will create you more problems in your whole wide world. What are we doing here, Shafe? We're gonna get the impact gun on there, loosen that up.
Yeah.
Tight right there, it won't turn.
Oh no. Oh hey, look at that. Look at the oil underneath this truck. It's all come from that turbo, I bet. In front of the motor.
You find a nut?
I found it.
I tell you what.
Somehow. We've been losing nut all day.
Let's see what she looks like in there. Let's see.
You want to see? See this one, guys? Does it go in and out or up and down? Oh, it's got a tough spot in it.
It'll loosen up.
Yeah, so you just want to look at this?
Look at that in there.
Oh my God.
What? Let's see. Oh, look at that. Look at that, guys. That is something that just absolutely saved the turbo and the motor. Look at that.
Mud wash nest.
I tell you what.
Isn't that something? Oh, he's dead. That's funny, isn't that? Look at the little in there. Here, put the camera back.
Oh my.
That's see, there's a reason why my laziness today happens about twice a year, eh? My laziness actually like catches something.
Let's see.
It's clean. It's clean.
No, it's not. There's full of in
Dad,
there.
it'll be fine.
No, it won't be fine. Give me that thing.
Oh my God, I don't have time.
Look at that. It's fine, eh?
Come on, man. I'm trying to get this job done.
Right there. Right full of dirt. There you go, guys. This is what was left in there.
Nothing.
Hey, right there. Okay, boys. There you go.
What do you have soaked in there?
Just whatever.
No, what is it?
Mud wasp nest. I tell you what.
I got my whole sitting area.
No. Here. That's right there. Here.
How high do you think I would have jumped off the ground if I started the truck and that turbo up? How high? How high do you think I would have jumped?
I tell you what. I don't know what it did. I don't know what it would have done if it would have kicked the motor out. Is there an O-ring in there, or is it just not?
Yes, there's an O-ring in there, Dad. Where's my nut? Don't swallow that nut. I'll have to make you to get it back.
Yeah. Go look at your teeth. Look at your teeth. Look at your front teeth. Let's see your front teeth.
What?
Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Let's see. Yeah, it's gone now.
What was it? Okay. I got this all done, guys, in only 3 hours.
Well, that's not bad. We've been 45 minutes.
Yeah, something like that. When I worked on it, a lot more. Mind you, I haven't fixed anything in. Well, I've never fixed anything in my life, really, but. That where a guy can access it easier. Always thinking about the next guy.
Yeah, the next guy will be you.
Oh no. Oh no. This is a problem here, guys. I might lose the business over this socket being stuck on here.
Well, considering you'll come steal the other one off me if you leave it on there. You know, it's amazing how long that's lasted for on there. It's on the suction side.
You know, the average father would kill their kid.
Here.
There we go.
You obviously got that top line on there for the feed line.
Yeah.
You get some lube in that turbo.
Yeah.
See this lube here? It's always best to give a little bit of lube in that turbo. They put a little bit of pre-lube in the jewel so it doesn't kill it.
Oh, I'm pretty sure what's killed that turbo is me revving the truck when there's no oil pressure.
I still can't believe all that come out of that turbo.
You tighten this clamp? No. Yeah. Good for the trip today. Let's go.
Yeah, you idiot. You know what? That clamp has never been that tight.
I know it hasn't. Look at that.
Okay, all done.
Here. Let's try and start it. So lately, it's been my daily driver. So here I got toolbox, red cowboy hat, old fur coat, good old air compressor, Milwaukee, whole bunch of gloves, some noodles, can of ether, because you never know when, extra battery, toolkit, and I got a trusty rusty dad on speed dial. Anyways, I'm off to go make my money. Dad, love you. But he's got problems there too. You see,
Oh my God.
Tank.
Leaked here, all over down the floor. I tell you what, more problems than a hippopotamus. Okay, light this. See if it'll start.
Can I keep this bungee cord?
Yeah, you take the thing anyway, so it don't matter. Another piece of leaves the yard. You gotta love it. Okay. Yeah, clamp leaks like a syrup. Hey! Need to do something with this clamp over here. It's leaking too much. Right here. Anyways, boys, there she goes. She's running.
What
Everything
clamp
seems
is
to be
leaking?
right there, that clamp leaking like a
In
syrup.
here?
Yeah. Get a hammer and beat on it. Just a bit loose.
Impact gun. That's why you never use an impact gun on stuff, guys. You saw it smoke over there? It's watching now.
Okay, boys, there she goes. It's purring like a small. I don't know what it's purring like, but it ain't small.
Did it actually exhaust coming out of the back of the tailpipe or
Yeah,
coming out of the middle of the cab?
Coming out the tailpipe.
That's why there's this much of room, eh? So it's Bluetoothing itself out of there.
Okay, guys, have a good day.